Nigel travelled to Blyton Park to compete on the Eastern Circuit layout in our Triumph Spitfire. This track is on an old airfield, so although the layout is tight, we felt confident pushing the car a little harder than at some other events, as the limits of the course are mostly defined by painted lines and grass verges rather than solid barriers. Unfortunately, we had to use a hired trailer as ours had electrical and jockey wheel problems en route, meaning that what would have been a 2.5-hour journey ended up being a 12-hour one. Whilst on site, our motorhome also had an electrical issue, which meant we had to use camping lights. But the weekend's racing went smoothly, bar a little light drizzle which affected our second timed run of the weekend.